What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is, what are the different types of storage classes available in S3, and some use cases where you will be using that kind of storage class, and what will be your reason? So Amazon S3 storage classes, there are like there are many varieties. Let's go to the bucket. So this is DevOps bucket second main, and inside this there is an India folder. And under India folder, we have some file hello.txt. So I have selected this one, the folder. I'm inside the bucket, and then I can edit the storage class. Or while creating I can also select the storage class, edit storage class. So I can select the storage class. By default, it's standard. Let's see. Taking some time to load. Yeah, standard frequently accessed data more than once a month with millisecond access. Then we have intelligent tiering, data with changing or unknown access pattern. Then we have standard infrequent access data with millisecond access. It's infrequent, it's cheaper than standard, but it's within millisecond you'll be able to access. One zone IA, infrequent access data once a month with millisecond access. Glacier instant retrieval, long-lived archive data accessed once a quarter with instant retrieval in milliseconds. Then we have Glacier flexible retrieval, long-lived archive data accessed once a year, retrieval of minutes to hour. It may take hours also sometimes to recover it. Glacier deep archive, long-lived archive data access less than once a year, retrieval hours. It will take hours to retrieve it. So reduced redundancy, non-critical, frequently accessed data with milliseconds access, not recommended as S3 standard is more effective. So they are the main varieties. So if you look at it, there are like ideally four standard, like which is for frequent access. Then you have the non-frequent access, which is like access you'll be able to access like quickly, but it's a non-frequent. Then you have a glacier, which like access may not be immediate. But we also have instant retrieval glacier. But ideal when it was initially came, it was like archive. Main option purpose was to archive it. And then we have intelligent access where we don't know like whether it will be accessed frequently or infrequently. So automatically algorithm will understand what kind of usage pattern, and then it will move the data between uh, frequent access and infrequent access automatically. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to choose anything. But if you already know that, okay, you are going to back it up and you're not going to use it for 1 year, you can go for Glacier Deep Archive. Or if you know that you are going to access it very frequently, you are going to go for the standard. So this is the different types. And let's say like if we so the very frequently resist standard, unpredictable, intelligent, rarely but quick access, standard infrequent access, rarely, cheaper but less safe. One zone IA, cheaper but it's less safe. One zone IA. Archiving need fast retrieval, instant retrieval, but glacier. Archiving can wait, you are ready to wait. It may take some time immediately. Then you can go for flexible retrieval. Maybe 1 hour you can easily wait. A very long term archive, like it's a archived for compliance purpose, etc. Then you can keep it here. Maybe retrieval will take some time. You need to wait for 3-4 hours or something like that. So these are the use cases. And let's see some real example, real life architecting. So if you store new any upload, then you can put it into S3 standard for 90 days. After that, you can move it to infrequent access for 90 days. And after that, you can move your data to Glacier. This is the life cycle rule you can set. So in the first 90 days, you can put into standard. Then after that, infrequent access. Then you can move it to Glacier after 1 year. And real world example, let's say MediaShare is a cloud-based company, and MediaShare allows users to upload, share photos and videos. The platform handles millions of media files, from frequently accessed images to rarely viewed video archives. And they optimize the cost. So once user upload the video or images, immediately it will put into S3 standard. Why? Because they are going to share it with their friends on WhatsApp or on Instagram or Facebook, right? They're going to share it. Their friends going to watch it maybe initial couple of weeks, right? initial 1 month, let's say. After that, it will. So that's why you need to put in the standard so that immediately it can be retrieved, and it should be like a high durability, availability for active content. And once that is after 1 month, maybe it will, if it is user data, it doesn't understand the usage pattern, then it can move into unpredictable access pattern. Use cases like unpredictable don't have predictable access pattern, so intelligent tiering. And if it is much older, then it will move it to infrequent access, maybe 6 months or something. Initial 2 3 months people may watch also, right? After that, like it will maybe occasional access, or like it can move it to glacier if it's a deep archiving, maybe after 5 years, 4 years, right? So or after 1 or 2 years. So the other different ways it will move. And the storage cost also, you understand that standard will be high, intelligent tiering moderate, infrequent access will be lower, glacier instant retrieval will be low, and glacier flexible will be very low, and deep archive it's a ultra low because extremely rare access, right? Only for legal compliance you are keeping it. So the other benefits. So high access, high cost, S3 standard, optimized for speed availability, no retrieval fees, moderate to low access, moderate cost, standard infrequent access, lower storage cost than standard. You pay to retrieve data. For retrieving data, you have to pay some money. And very low access, very low cost with retrieval delay. There will be some delay, S3 Glacier and Deep Archive. Retrieval is slow and potentially expensive. Retrieval will take some time and you have to pay for the retrieving the data. And unpredictable access, smart auto optimization. Automatically, algorithm will take care. If you are not sure about whether you will go for standard or infrequent access or archive. If you are not sure, then go for unpredictable access, intelligent time. Okay, so let's go have a look at today's quiz. The first one is which storage is the best suited for data that is accessed frequently. If you access frequently, we know that it's a standard one. Which storage class offer the lowest storage cost but the longest retrieval time? Longest retrieval time is Glacier Deep Archive, right? Deep Archive. Longest retrieval, lowest storage cost. Glacier Deep Archive, answer is C. What is the trade-off when using S3 standard infrequent access? What is the trade-off? So trade-off is high retrieval time, low storage cost, instant retrieval and no retrieval cost, instant retrieval, but these are unpredictable performance. Answer is instant retrieval because standard, but retrieval cost per GB because it's an infrequent access. You're not expecting frequent access. So you can like instant retrieval, but retrieval cost per GB. Which SC class automatically moves data between a tag based on access pattern. Yes, that is the intelligent tag. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow my LinkedIn page, DevOps Challenge Hub. I post quiz and contest daily, and you can participate in the contest quiz. And follow my WhatsApp channel for regular updates. And thank you for watching this video. And see you again in the next video.